PPF. May ano pa yun, labor kasi. And then may curing time. Sige na nga, sige na. Thank you so much Oh, wala bro eh. Kala ko hindi ako papaisa eh. Wala eh. Tingnan mo naman sila. First Rolex nila at age of 66 years old. Grabe. Kaya mo siguro ako tinawag, Job.
We will not forget this and we will not forget you.
Sige, sir. Done deal. Thank you so much. They'll take care of you. You'll have to leave the watch with us muna.
Yeah.
We'll have it PPF. Thank you so much, ma'am. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Sir, take care. Ano pala yung hoodie nila? Bigyan nyo ng hoodie ha. So yun guys, done deal. Kala ko malangas ako. Ang lambot ko pala. Hello po, paring Hype po. Iba si paring G.
Picture lang.
Pag Sunday kasi. Sabihin nyo, pasikat ako.